Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes ML 2006 the w164 chassis, and I'm just going to replace one of the rear bulbs, brake light bulb, as I get that message there, brake lamp right, and then it says brake lamp left, backup bulb on. So we're going to have a look at that as well. So we can solve these brake light issues here. Every time I press the brake light I get that message. So let's check the bulbs out. So come to the boot area, open the boot obviously, and what we need to do is open this panel on this side, and we're also going to open this panel on this side in order to check the brake light bulb here as well. You need to twist these to unlock them as well. These are already on the unlock position. Locked would be this way round, so you can remove this cover here, and once you do that you'll have access to the bulbs here. And the brake light bulb is this one up here. If you turn that anti-clockwise you can take it out, and there is that bulb. Well, that's the left side, which is looking rather burnt. Right, I just went to get a couple of bulbs. Now, which type of bulb is this? Well, if you look at your manual, it tells you here, brake lamp. It's a P21W. Turn signal PY21W, and so on, the other bulbs. So you can actually access all of the bulbs from the back here. And there's even third brake lamp is LEDs, so that would be the one that's probably in the center of the hatch of the door. So have a look at that. If you need to change any of these, it also shows you the license plate bulb here. Well, anyway, so now we can get our new bulb, get the socket. All you have to do is push that in and twist it clockwise. So to remove it, you push it down and anti-clockwise, refit it down clockwise, and it locks into place basically. Sorry, there we are. That locks into position, and then we can just fit that back in there. And again, it's a matter of finding the correct position and then locking it clockwise. So we have other bulbs here. There's another one there. That's an indicator bulb. It's a bit hard to twist. Okay, I got my bulb here back in properly. That's the indicator one. It is a bit hard to twist, but it is doable. They all come out the same way, and the one down here, now if we look at this side, again you have to unlock that. That one's already done. Take that cover out, and back here will be your bulbs. Again, open it anti-clockwise Take that out. You can see that bulb is definitely gone. So we get new one. Same procedure. Push that in, twist it. And if I can do it with one hand, you can definitely do it with two. And then just locate the hole and twist clockwise, and that locks in position. So technically, when we press the brake now, it shouldn't give us a warning. Okay, so now I am pressing the brake. And there's no more warning about the rear brake light bulbs gone. So that's how you can fix that. And next video I'm gonna show you how to reset the round flat indicator. So anyway, hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and we'll see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching.